Welcome back. Check out this just incredible video. A powerful landslide swept away 8 houses into the sea in the Norwegian Arctic. No reports of any injuries during the landslide. There was a dog that was washed into the ocean but was able to swim back to land safe and sound. Just incredible, though, the power of Mother Nature. Let's turn things over to Jason Stiff now in the First Alert Weather Center. He is tracking our forecast. Actually, your final morning, Jason, here in the Santa Barbara area.
Yes, it is. And appropriate enough, we have all the clouds pushing back on shore, just saying hello. We have the June gloom. We have all the clouds, the fog, and the drizzle invading from the ocean. So we're going to have wet roads, wet sidewalks, wet steps. Make sure you drive and walk carefully this morning, but only a little bit of actual precipitation, generally between a trace and about 7 or 8 hundredths of an inch of that drizzle has settled out of the marine layer. Uniform temperatures, upper 50s and lower 60s for the entire area from northwestern San Luis Obispo County to southeastern Ventura County. But this is all going to be changing very soon. We have this area of low pressure over California right now, bringing the onshore flow. That's going to get blown out of the way by a much larger storm way to our northwest. That will be bringing rain and snow to the Pacific Northwest, but we're on the periphery of it. So we are just going to be the beneficiaries, if you want to look at it that way, of a lot of windy weather. It's going to start blowing tomorrow, but it's going to be a lot stronger Sunday into Monday. And although we don't have advisories, watches, or warnings issued yet, I guarantee you we're going to have some issue because we're going to have some very strong wind. It's going to start blowing on Saturday. Here's a sustained wind between 15 and 25 miles an hour, gust to 30 possible. Sunday, though, windier than that. A lot of wind between 25 and 35 with gusts over 45. I guarantee you that is going to happen Sunday. We'll still have lots of windy weather on Monday. Stubborn clouds, areas of marine layer drizzle still falling for the south coast and parts of the central coast through the early afternoon hours. Can't rule out a stray rain shower or thunderstorm over the mountains of northwestern Ventura County, but most populated areas will not have any real rain. We'll just have that drizzle settling on the clouds. Then on Saturday, we lose the marine layer clouds. You can see all those wind arrows. They get a lot longer. That wind is going to get a lot stronger. That lasts through Sunday especially, and we'll still have more of that windy weather on Monday. Very little cloud cover. We'll actually have an increase in our temperatures all the way through early next week, but it's not going to be very comfortable because that wind will be howling for almost everybody. So prepare for that. If you have any outdoor plans, also right now, be a good time, maybe after the drizzle stops falling, to bring some areas of loose things outside, inside. So make sure they don't blow around Sunday especially. So today, temperatures very uniform. You remember a couple days ago it was 105 in Paso Robles. Not today. 73 degrees for a high. 70 degrees for San Luis Obispo. Hasn't changed that much for the immediate coastlines. We've been in the 60s all week. We're going to stay in the 60s today. The temperature hardly changing at all. Santa Barbara County, upper 60s and lower 70s for highs. Lots of stubborn marine layer clouds, areas of fog and drizzle here and there. So wet roads. Just make sure you take it a little bit slower when driving. South coast, same situation. Lots of low clouds, areas of fog and drizzle. Highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Even for Ojai a couple days ago, it was in the 90s and triple digits. Not today. Lower 70s there, also right along the coast with plenty of gray sky for the next 7 days. We have a lot of windy weather in Santa Barbara Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but Sunday especially. The highs will rise, but the wind speed will too. Daytime highs will climb until the mid 80s by Tuesday. For Santa Maria, we'll have the clouds and drizzle this morning. We'll have fewer clouds on Saturday. The wind's going to start blowing, but it's going to be stronger Sunday and Monday. By Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll be in the lower 80s. For San Luis Obispo, 70s turning into the lower mid 80s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. But right in there, we're going to have a lot of windy weather Sunday and Monday for Lompoc. Mostly 70s for highs, but lots of wind late Saturday afternoon through Monday night.
All right, and this is where we get to embarrass Jason a little bit. I don't think he knows that we're doing this. We put a little video together to say thank you. He's off to be the chief meteorologist up in Chico, California. So check it out. Some of the top moments we pulled together over the last few days. Jason Stiff, he was singing over there in the Weather Center. I could hear you mouthing the words.
I know them hard.
Yeah.
They're word for word. And hello from the other side of the weather wall.
Yeah. Literally. I woke up overnight and I was like, is there a sprinkler that's broken or something?
Did somebody leave a faucet on? What's going on? Hey, a very comfortable morning for us. It's kind of gray, just like my suit is right now.
Weather with Jason Stiff. He's in the First Alert Weather Center. Jason, what is going on?
It's very dark.
Let's turn things over now to Jason Stiff. He's covering that, but he's also covering a lot of heat.
Yeah, we have a lot of heat. It's tough to see outside right now. I just did that. I can't bring it back now, but it was just set up too perfectly. It was just an underhanded softball, and I had to just hit it out of the park. Well, thank you so much. That's great to see all those memories.
Jason's so funny. He's got jokes nonstop. He's always bringing a good sense of humor, especially to like 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning around here. So we appreciate that, and we'll certainly miss you, man.
Thank you very much. I will miss being here, living here, forecasting for everyone. It's a fantastic place to live. I'm going to be heading up north to Chico and Redding and forecasting the weather in Northern California. It gets really hot there also, but it's great to see all those memories also. Thank you so much. That's great to see all that.
All right, we'll be right back.